Hi friends, in this video we'll learn how to deal with prepaid expenses when they are given inside the trial balance. So we are given a trial balance here, trial balance as on 31st March 22, salary 1,20,000, prepaid salary 20,000. It is showing a debit balance, insurance premium 60,000, prepaid insurance premium 10,000. Now prepaid salary and prepaid insurance are shown inside the trial balance. That means the ledgers are already open. The ledgers have been opened because entries have been passed. What is the entry we would have passed for prepaid salary? Prepaid salary account at R2 cash and prepaid insurance account at R2 cash. So proper entries have already been passed. That is why proper balance are shown in the trial balance. So these entries we need not record again. These entries have already been passed. So we only have to straight away give the effect in the final accounts. So how do you deal with this problem? We will have profit and loss account for year ended 31st March 22, balance sheet as on 31st March 22. Salary account will be debited to the profit and loss account straight away, 1,20,000. Insurance premium will also be debited to the profit and loss account. Insurance premium debited to the P&L account, 60,000. What about prepaid salary? It will be shown in the balance sheet, asset side. Prepaid insurance will also be shown on the balance sheet, asset side. Because we are yet to receive benefits from this amount paid, it is money owed by the staff to the business. This is money owed by the insurance company to the business. How will they repay these loans to us? By providing their services. So this is how we'll deal with it. We are not going to again subtract from salary or subtract from insurance premium because there is no error in the entries which have already been passed. And we will see how it will be treated in the FY 22-23 as well. FY 22-23 next year. Next year what will happen is, in our books we will have two assets. Prepaid salary brought down 20,000. Prepaid insurance brought down 10,000. In the next year what will happen is, the staff will provide their services to us and they will repay this loan to us. We will take their services. So whatever money we have given them as an advance will become an expense for the business. So next year when we adjust this prepaid salary, we'll pass the entry salary account debit to prepaid salary. It becomes an expense because they have provided their services to us. By salary 20,000, this account will get closed. Similarly, as the time passes by, the insurance premium which is paid in advance will be adjusted by the insurance company towards the premium. Insurance premium account debit 10,000 to prepaid insurance. Next year they will become expense. With this, these accounts will get closed in the next year. So this is how we deal with prepaid expenses when they are given inside the trial balance.